Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cut a video here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cutting a video here in Adobe Express is a straightforward process, although its video editing features are somewhat basic or limited compared to more advanced tools like Adobe Premiere Pro. But of course, we are here how you can do it. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse on thousands of inspiring designs to begin your work. If you want to upload your own content, just click on the button right here. In my case, I'm going to be using this specific design. All right. Now, basically the video here runs around 15 seconds, and if you want to cut the time of it, there is a simple option or solution for that. Right. So why not? We go to add a new page. I'm going to copy this. It's part of our design. Click on add, same size. I'm going to paste that video here so you guys can see the entire thing already, because the first one is a little bit cluttered. All I'm gonna do now is click the edit timeline here. All right, you have two options to cut a video. Number one is, as you can see, it runs from 15 seconds, right? If you want to cut it, you see there is a drag option here where you can cut the video into like 5 seconds to 10 seconds, or depending on your preferences. All right, so from 50 seconds it was now cut off to a half, like 8 seconds. Another option that you can do is right click, and there should be an option that says split. Now you cut the video into two. All right, and of course you can delete this one by clicking on the delete scene right here. All right, so you have now a video that has been cut into one, and that runs for 4 seconds. Right, it's a very easy thing to do. And once you're happy with this cut video right here, just play it. Make sure that you have it cut in place. All I gotta do now is go to the upper right corner where you can see the download button. If you want to download this as an MP4, just click on download. But if you want to share this cut video to your client, just click on share, copy the link, and send it to your client or to your boss. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.